What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek. We're a Google Premier Partner agency, and I got this question in from a potential client, and they wanted to know specifically what is a conversion in Google Ads. So, a conversion is, if you think of it as in sports, it'd be like the touchdown in football. So you've got all your blocking and tackling, and conversion would be that touchdown. So within a Google Ads campaign, a conversion could be many different things, but typically what it's going to be, I'll give you an example as like a local business, it's going to be a phone call or a form submission. So it's basically someone becoming a lead. They've seen your ad, they've clicked on your ad, they've gone to your website or your landing page, and they've either called or submitted their information and become a lead. So in most instances, a conversion is going to be a lead. If you were running an e-commerce campaign, it could be a sale. If you are running a campaign for a business with a much more complex sales cycle, like a SaaS product or something, it might be a download of an ebook or download of a white paper. Could be something like that. But for most campaigns that are run, it's going to be a phone call or a form submission. So what you're doing is you're building out your campaign with keywords that are really niche specific. So give an example. If we're talking like a roofing contractor, we want to target keywords like roofing contractor near me, roof repair in your city, that kind of stuff, as opposed to like types of architectural shingles. That would be more broad match. We want to go exact and phrase match. So really specific kind of keywords. We'd want to write compelling ad copy, and then we'd want to send that traffic to a landing page that's built for conversions. So it's built to get people to call or submit their information to become a lead. That three-step process right there is what we call the Google Ads magic formula. It's get the right traffic, so exact and phrase match traffic, write compelling ad copy that's going to earn you the click in the market, and then send that traffic to a landing page that's going to convert that traffic at a high enough rate so your cost per lead is acceptable. And from there you can grow your business. If your cost per lead is too expensive, it makes your deal sizes, your client values, I should say your margin on your deals that much tighter, and it makes Google Ads not that fun to run because your acquisition costs become super high. So when you're thinking at a high level, just go with our Google Ads magic formula. It's get good quality traffic, earn the click by writing enticing ad copy, and send them to a landing page that's going to convert them at a super high rate. Our landing pages, we're shooting for somewhere between 20 and 40%. We've got some up to like 60%. So most people are converting at like 5%, maybe 10%. So if you can nail that last piece, you can get your cost per lead way down and make Google Ads work for you much more efficiently. And you get to create that ATM. You put in $1 and $2 comes out, or you put in $1 and $5 comes out. And that's the beauty of Google Ads. Once you get this thing dialed in, you can really scale it up, and you've created a really good asset for your business that makes, at some point in the future, if you're ever looking to sell your business, having a lead generation system in place that's really dialed in makes your business that much more attractive to a particular or potential suitor. So that's what a conversion is. I get a little long-winded sometimes. If you are interested in having a chat about us potentially managing a campaign for you, I'll drop a link below. We mainly work with local service-based businesses. We also white label our services for other agencies as well. And if you're interested in learning this stuff and doing it in-house, we've got we're nearing in on 500 videos on this channel, and it's all Google Ads related content. We'll walk you through how to build everything from scratch and how to get a campaign up and running and optimized to produce the results that you want. We also sell some courses that take you step by step by the hand to do that as well, and to build landing pages, all sorts of stuff. I'll drop some links below in the description. If you need anything, again, it's Ed here from ClicksGeek. We're a premier Google Ads agency, and we specialize in generating leads using Google Ads. So if you need anything, just hit us up. Hope you have a great day. Bye.